The comeback ends, the last episode airs, the concert finishes. When it's over too soon, fans feel it hard. Let's learn all three.
아쉽다. 눈물. 벌써 끝나.
These are the words fans use when something good comes to an end. One by one.
끝나서 아쉬울 때 쓰는 말이야.
First. It means it's a shame, or I wish there were more. That bittersweet feeling when something good ends too fast.
아쉽다. 너무 아쉽다.
Say it aeswipta. It's a shame it's already over. I'm so bummed.
아쉽다. 너무 아쉬워.
The comeback promotions wrap after just 3 weeks. You wanted more.
벌써 활동 끝. 아쉽다.
Isn't full sadness, it's a gentle ah, I wish there were more. Perfect for short eras and quick lives.
아쉽다. 조금만 더 하지.
Word 2. It literally means tears are coming, I'm about to cry. For truly emotional, moving moments.
눈물 나. 진짜 눈물 나.
Is tears, is comes out. I think I'm gonna cry. Fans type it at graduations, disbandments, emotional speeches.
눈물 날 것 같아.
Your group gives a tearful speech after winning their first award. You're gone.
눈물. 진짜 축하해.
For happy tears specifically, fans say, I'm so moved. Pair it.
감동이야. 눈물 나.
Word 3. It means it's over already. Is already, is ends. Pure disbelief that time flew.
벌써 끝나. 벌써.
You'll hear, it ended already? Or just, already. The feeling, it went way too fast.
벌써 끝났어. 아쉽다.
The live stream ends after what felt like 10 minutes. You stare at the screen.
벌써 끝나. 아쉬워.
Stack them for maximum feels? Fans literally comment all three together.
벌써 끝나. 아쉽다. 눈물 나.
These are casual and heartfelt. Works even semi-polite as. Keep the others for fans.
팬끼리 오케이. 존댓말은 아쉬워요.
Your turn, repeat after the native speaker. What a shame. I'm gonna cry. Over already?
아쉽다. 눈물 나. 벌써 끝나.
Your mission, comment the moment that made you go, the era you wish lasted longer. I'll reply to the most ones. Subscribe.
아쉬웠던 순간 댓글에